ball mount is a removable hitch ball platform that slides into a receiver hitch tube and is secured by a pin and clip. A ball mount is used to couple your tow vehicle to your trailer. Selecting the right ball size and ball mount is a must for trouble-free towing. Keep in mind the hitch ball weight rating should always be equal to or larger than the hitch and ball mount being used. Once you have selected the correct ball for the coupler on your trailer, ensure the trailer ball shank fits the thickness and diameter of your ball mount, and determine whether you'll be using the ball mount in the drop or rise position. For ease of installation, insert the ball mount sideways into the receiver tube, place the ball into the ball mount, slide the lock washer into position, and hand tighten the nut until it's snug. Use a torque wrench to torque all 3/4 inch shank diameter balls to 160 foot-pounds, 1/4 inch shank diameter balls to 250 foot-pounds, and 1 1/4 inch shank diameter balls to 450 foot-pounds. Remove the ball mount and turn it to the drop or rise position. Slide the ball mount back into the receiver hitch so that the holes of the receiver tube align with the holes of the ball mount. Insert the pin through the hole of the receiver hitch tube and ball mount. Secure the pin in place by inserting the straight leg of the clip in the pin. Now you're ready to couple your tow vehicle to your trailer. For more information on all the great products from draw-tite, visit draw-tite.com. Draw-tite, North America's favorite hitch.